Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most important proven tactics you need to know today in order to develop your intuition and also learn to trust your intuition so you can be able to trust your decision making. Let's get started. Have you ever had that experience when all of a sudden you just have this huge hunch that something is about to happen, and to your surprise, that feeling was eventually translated to reality? When you feel strongly about something without logical basis to it, that's called intuition. It comes in three impressions: clairvoyance, or the third eye, sensing clearly and feeling through listening. Clairvoyance is when your eye goes beyond what it can see. This is when you know what is happening somewhere. Sensing clearly is basically what we refer to as hunch or gut feel. This is a time when you are overwhelmed with a feeling and you can't explain it all, and all you can say is, I just know. On the other hand, feeling through listening, or clairaudience, is being able to listen between the lines. Intuition also happens at times when a certain sound, whatever it is, be it a car's honk or a bird's tweeting, ushers in an intense feeling. They say only a number of people are gifted with intuition. Astrologers even believe that people born under the zodiac sign of Scorpio or Pisces are naturally intuitive. It almost borders on ESP, but studies have been sprouting left and right that proclaim that anyone can develop intuition. So why do we need to develop intuition, you ask? Why not let your emotional and psychological state continue as it is? First and foremost, intuition promotes good, clear, and effective communication. It makes you more sensitive to the people around you. It often keeps you from hurting those you love because you are intuitive and sensitive enough to understand them. Intuition also makes you far more creative than ever. Intuition means releasing more creative juices for any means of expression. Lastly, and most importantly, intuition has a great healing power. This healing power is not in the physical sense, but in delving deep into your soul in order to eradicate and get rid of some of the negative energy that is buried deep into your soul. With that being said, are you ready to develop your intuition? Here are some of the ways to unlock this gift. The first method is by using the power of hypnosis. Oh yes, get yourself hypnotized. Hypnosis is not limited to watching a pendulum move back and forth. Start by performing self-hypnosis, or you can also access hypnotic programs that can strengthen your intuition. The second and most popular form of strengthening your intuition is by using the power of meditation. Basically, meditating means finding peace in yourself. If your mind and heart are cluttered with too many baggage and hurt, you wouldn't be able to quieten down that part of you that eventually initiates intuition. There are so many ways to meditate. Taking a yoga class or just simply practicing some breathing that could help you to bring you straight to Zen. Thirdly comes the power of positive thinking. A worry-free, fear-free state can do so much to improve your intuitive abilities. By staying positive, you attract good energy that would be able to easily recognize imminent feelings and events. Remember to just let go. It's gonna be okay. So what does that mean? If you are on the brink of making a huge decision, let go of all the inhibitions and head to a quiet place where you could find out where the letting go has brought you. Sometimes you just have to listen to the voice within you, and that voice wouldn't come out unless you let go. Fifthly, never expect. After letting go of the inhibitions and all those things that stop you from thinking and feeling clearly, never expect for an answer right away. Never expect that the hunch would fall on your lap immediately. Give it a little time and then you'll just be surprised at the right moment. Now you have your answer, and you have the ability to take that intuition and use it for the best. Always remember, believe in your first impressions when it comes to intuition. When you see someone for the first time and then think that he's a bit too arrogant for your taste, chances are that impression actually holds true. Most of the time, first impressions are bought by intuition. Remember to stay happy no matter what. See, it's as simple as that. All you need to be intuitive is simply to stay happy and work at it every day and be consistent at staying happy and practicing self-love. Happiness attracts immense power, and such power also includes intuition. In tapping into your intuition, your motivation must be happiness and contentment. Given that promise, intuition will fall to you easily. Lastly, if you are into energy healing and crystal healing, there are specific crystals that have been used by many cultures in order to help you activate and develop your intuition. These are simply tools that will help to guide you along your journey to developing and activating your intuition. You can incorporate these crystals or gemstones into your daily routine by carrying them with you as you meditate, or wearing them as jewelry, or placing them in your pocket to have with you at all times. These include howlite, lapis lazuli, amethyst, and clear calcite. You can easily purchase them online from a reputable source, or you can head over to your local spirituality store and purchase them. Another thing that I wanted to add is using essential oils. One of the best essential oils for intuition is frankincense essential oil, and it would be a lovely idea to diffuse that while you are meditating. Intuition is helpful because sometimes it leads you to something that cannot be achieved otherwise. Remember, a lot of lives have been saved by intuition alone. People who take the time and energy to develop their intuition lead better lives because they will be able to trust their gut, and they will have more confidence in themselves and in their choices. Develop your intuition now and start reaping the benefits and rewards. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.